Understanding Axie Infinity breeding cooldown chart is crucial for players to optimize their breeding strategy and maximize their in-game progress. The breeding cooldown chart is a system that determines how long a player must wait before breeding an Axie again after it has been bred. To start with, each Axie has a breed count that ranges from 0 to 7. With 0 being a purebred Axie and 7 being an Axie that has been bred 7 times. The breed count affects the cooldown period, with higher breed counts resulting in longer cooldown periods. The cooldown period is measured in hours and is determined by the breed count of the parent Axies. For example, breeding 2 Axies with a breed count of 0 will result in a cooldown period of 5 hours. While breeding 2 Axies with a breed count of 7 will result in a cooldown period of 48 hours. It is essential to plan breeding strategically, taking into account the cooldown periods of the parent Axies. Players should aim to breed Axies with lower breed counts to minimize the cooldown period and maximize the number of breeds they can perform. Additionally, players can use the breeding cooldown chart to predict and prepare for upcoming breeds, ensuring they have the necessary resources and Axies available. The chart also helps players to avoid overbreeding, which can lead to a decrease in the quality of the offspring. In conclusion, understanding the Axie Infinity breeding cooldown chart is vital for players to optimize their breeding strategy, minimize cooldown periods, and maximize their in-game progress. By planning strategically and using the breeding cooldown chart, players can make informed decisions and achieve success in the game. Best practices include regularly checking the breed count of Axies, planning breeds in advance, and avoiding overbreeding. By following these best practices and understanding the breeding cooldown chart, players can improve their chances of success and become more competitive in the game.